Now we're going to use the bandsaw on our square dress workpiece. The serving board is really going to take shape now. Start by drawing out the pattern. Now before you start the bandsaw, put your workpiece on the table and set the blade guides close to it. This is in case the blade breaks. Feed the workpiece slowly into the blade. Cut 1mm outside the line. We'll sand it to the line later. Try to keep your hands well back, away from the cut line in case the blade breaks. As you move the workpiece, you can turn it a little. Be careful not to turn it too much or you'll pinch the blade. When you stop this machine, you have to apply the brake as well. We're using a machine with a different blade to cut the inner curves. Make some relief cuts first like this. That frees up the waste material so it doesn't trap the blade. And there's your workpiece fully shaped. As you can see, the saw leaves lots of marks. Now we're going to use the sanding machines to tidy them up.